I look crazy and I don't even care. I have to take a break. My husband needs to use the bathroom, so. But y'all, I'm just at the back and I started this here at like 1 o'clock. Definitely gonna be breaking late because I'm now go outside with it half done. I'm gonna finish it. This is the back. I don't even know how it look. I messed up one of them. Come here, hold it and braid. Where is it? In any case, one of them, the curly stuff, got jacked up inside of the braid. So I think I gotta cut it. I don't know. I think it's this one. Oh yeah, see it there? Y'all. Talk about first time bohemian life. Listen. I'm not even counting. I don't know what number, what system. I just put 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, really 3, 4, sometimes 5. But look, this one get braided in. So now, I have to cut it out. And I still got the whole top. I got one more little piece for the back. I don't know if I can show it to y'all. But and then I'm gonna know if I do this. But then I'm done. Yeah, this little piece, and then I'm done with the back. Just the back. I'm just gonna do 5. I think I did it smaller than I expected to do, which I always do that. And then I'm gonna braid it don't all the way. So bohemian for life. This joker gonna stay in for at least 2 months. At least 2 months. You gonna stay in. So this is how it looks so far. Lord, no me have to go do the rest no. I thank God tomorrow Sunday, but myself I go to church. This journey, yo, it's like my Christian walk. Like sometimes you just be like wanting to just stop and chill. Sometimes you just wanna be done with it. But then you remember the goal, main goal. So main goal is I'm gonna have to do my ear for 2 months. It's a stagger. That's how Jamaican people talk. But it's all good. It's all good. It's gonna work out. Yeah, you see this piece? It's hook on it. So I either cut it out or just leave it weird looking like this. I don't know. Whew,